Hey guys, it's Mrs. Code again. Today we're going to be talking about how fractions and decimals relate. Relate? What does that mean? Well, it just means how they are similar, but they look a little different. Let's take a look.
Well, we know that a fraction is a part of a whole. But guess what? A decimal is also part of a whole. All right, in this fraction, we have 7 pieces out of 10. We don't have a whole thing. So how could we say this? Well, we could say this as 7/10. But I don't have anything that says tenths on my place value chart. I have ones, tens. Uh-oh, that doesn't say tenths. That says tens. What to do? Well, this place value chart only shows whole numbers. So let's take a look at this one. This place value chart, if you take a look, still has my ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, and those all in green are my whole numbers. Well, if you notice, we have all these purple numbers. Now, these purple numbers represent part of a whole, and you can see there that we have all these here separated by that decimal point, that little period. So the first place will have tenths. Wait a second. That's what our fraction was. We had 7/10. Well, now I have a tenths place. Let's go ahead and put a 7 in the place that's marked tenths. Wait. Hey guys, look. There's that decimal point. So looking back at what we first started with, that 7 out of 10, or as we called it, 7/10, is also written as 0.7. It's the same thing. Okay, so let's take a look at another one. This one, looks even more confusing, but it's not, I promise. Simply says that we have 25 pieces out of 100. So we know we have part of a whole, which can also be written as a decimal. Well, I can say this one, 25 hundredths. Well, let's see how we can put that on the place value chart. Well, we know it's going to be in this purple part because we know the purple part of our place value chart, or in this case here, the purple part, is all parts of a whole. And we have the number hundredths there. But I have 25 and my place value chart only goes up to 9. So I'm going to have to use 2 spaces and end in the hundredths. And there we go. We have 25 and we end in the hundredths. 0.25 is the same thing as 25 over 100.
See? That wasn't that hard. It was just 2 different ways of saying the same thing, but writing it a little bit differently. All right, you know what's coming. One for you to try. Go ahead and post your answer below, and as always, if you ever have any questions, just go ahead and send me an email or give me a call.